Good afternoon. Let's look at page 71, question number 42. Now the first thing you want to recognize about this equation is that it's not solved for 0. So we're going to subtract 1 from both sides. So we get a negative 1 half x squared plus 4x minus 1, that symbol 0. Now if you look at this, I have a negative 1 half, a 4, and a negative 1. There's nothing that pops to mind as far as what we could factor that with, so we want to use the quadratic equation to solve this. X equals a negative b plus or minus b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So if I look at a negative b value, that would be a minus 4 plus or minus 4 squared minus 4 times your a value times your c value, and that's all over 2 times your a value. So if we simplify that, it'll be a negative 4 plus or minus 16. If I take 4 times a negative 1 half, that's going to give me positive 2, and 2 times a negative 1 would give me minus 2. And on the bottom, 2 times a negative 1 over 2 is going to give me a negative 1. So that will change this to 4 plus or minus the square root of 14. And the square root of 14 is not a nice number, so let's use our calculator to figure out what this would be. If I found the square root of 14, it gives me 3.74. So I'm going to say 4 plus or minus 3.74. So that'll give me the two values of 7.74 or 0.26. So let's graph those on a number line. We have 0.26. We have 7.74. And we know that they're going to be equal to because of that symbol. So we're going to have filled in dots. Let's pick our test point. Well, let's try 1. That's probably the easiest thing, that's closest there and lies within it. We take 1 and plug it into this equation. We have a negative 1 half times 1 squared plus 4 times 1 minus 1. Let's see if it's really greater than or equal to 0. So that's going to give me a negative 1 half plus 4 minus 1. So that's going to give me 3, 2.5 greater than or equal to 0, and that is a true statement. So we are going to connect the dots, and that would give us 0.26 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 7.74. It's a solution. Have a great day. Bye-bye.